Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to install or uninstall Zoom Workplace on your computer, then watch this video. Now it's very easy folks, just go to Microsoft Store. And I prefer downloading apps from Microsoft Store because Microsoft Store pre-scans the installation file for viruses and malware. But you can also download it from the Zoom website if you want to do so. So go to Zoom Workplace and then click on install. And Windows should now install this, download and install this file. As you can see, it is being downloaded, right? And now it is installing. Should not take much time. And there it is, and Zoom is installed. Now let us see if it works. Open. Yes, and it's open up. You just need to sign in, enter your mail, enter your password, and sign in. And if you wish to learn how to uninstall it, then right click on the start button, go to settings, apps, installed apps, and let's search for Zoom. There it is, Zoom Workplace. Click on the three buttons here, click on uninstall, click on uninstall once again, and it will be uninstalled. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.